Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to virtual learning. I hope you are all fine students. This is your fifth lecture of Islamic studies. In the last lecture, we have done lesson 6 and ahadith 6 and 7. Today, we are going to do ayat 45 to 48. This is lesson 7, part 1. In this lecture, we will do Surah Anfal ayat 45 to 48 and words and compounds. Ayat 45. Ya ayyuhallazina amanu. Ya ayyu, O allazina, people, amanu, who believe. Ya ayyuhallazina amanu, O believers, is a when lakitum, when you are confronted, fiyatun, by a group or force of infidels, fasbutu, then hold firm, waskurullaha, and remember Allah, kasiran, much, a lot, la'allakum, la'alla, so that you tuflihun, may be successful. We will repeat this ayat. In this ayat, Allah instruct the believers, Ya ayyuhallazina amanu, O believers, Iza lakitum, when you encounter fiyatan, a group or army, fasbutu, then stand firm. Waskurullaha, and remember Allah, kasiran, much, la'allakum, that you may tuflihun, be successful, or you can attain your goal. You can gain your goal and you might be successful. Here we are going to translate ayat number 46. Wa ati ullaha wa rasulahu, wa, and atiu, obey, Allahu, Allah, wa rasuluhu, and his prophet, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Wala tanazau, wala wow and la not tanazau, do not fall into dispute. Fatafshalu, fatafshalu. So if you will do so, mean if you fall into dispute, so fatafshalu, so you will lose your heart. Watazhaba, and depart. Rihukum, your strength, and your strength depart from you. Wasbiru, and be patient. Innallaha, indeed Allah, ma'a, with those as-sabirin who remain patient. We will revise this ayat. Wa atiullaha wa rasulahu, and obey Allah wa rasulahu, and his Rasul, his messenger. Wala tanazau, and dispute not with one another. Mean, do not dispute with the Muslims, with the Muslim soldiers. Do not dispute one another. If you will do so, so what will happen? Fatafshalu. So then otherwise you will lose your courage, you will be disheartened. Fatazhaba, and take away from you rihukum, your strength, and your strength will depart from you, and you will become a weak. Wasbiru, and be patient. Innallaha, really Allah, ma sabirin, Allah is with the patient who are steadfast. Ayat number 47. Wala takunu, wow, la, wow and la not takunu. Don't be like kallazina, those people. Kharaju, who left min diyarihim, min from diyarihim, their homes. Wala takunu, and be not like kallazina, those kharaju, who left min diyarihim, from their homes, bataran, boastfully, Maria Annasi, Maria, and to show others, Annasi, and to show the people, to show off the people their power, their strength, Vayasaduna, and they prevent Ansabilillahi, from the path of Allah, from the way of Allah, Vayasaduna, and they prevent the people Ansabilillahi, from the way of Allah. Wallahu, and Allah, Bima, what Yamaluna, they do, Muhit, Allah surrounds. Now we are going to repeat this ayat. In this ayat, Allah said to the believers, don't be like the disbelievers. Wala takunu, and be not like those Kharaju, who came out min diyarihim of their homes, bataran with the boastfully, wariya nasi and to be seen of people, mean to show off the people, wajasaduna and they prevent ansbilillahi from the way of Allah, they stopping, they preventing and bearing the people from the way of Allah. Wallahu and Allah bima yamaluna muhit and Allah bima yamaluna what they do muhit, everything is the under the control of Allah. Ayat number 48. This is the last ayat of this lesson. Ayat 48. Wa is, wa and is when, lahu mushatanu, wa is and when, zayyana made, zayyana mean attractive, look fair, look beautiful, lahum for them, shaitanu, shaitan, amalahum their deeds, wakala and said, La Ghalibu, no one can overcome, Lakum on you, Lakumul Yoma, this day, Minan Nasi from people. From the people, nobody can overcome on you this day. This day mean which day? The day of Battle of Badr. Wa inni, I am Jarun, companion, Lakum, your, and I am your companion, I am your protector. Falamma, but when, Tara ati, but when confronted, Piyatani, but when confronted, Piyatani, two groups, two forces, Nakasa ala akibahi, Nakasa fled ala on akibahi on his heels. He, mean Shaitan, fled on his heels, Wakala and said, Inni, I, Bariyun minkum. Inni Bariyun, I am free minkum from you. Mean I have no concern with you. Inni, I, Ara, I see, Mala Tarona, that you cannot see. I see ma la that you la tarona that you cannot see. Inni indeed verily akhafullahu I fear Allah khafu khawf Allahu Allah I fear Allah wallahu and Allah shadidun severe ikab in punishment. Wise. Now we are going to revise this ayat. Wise and when zayyana lahum shaitanu amalahum. And when the shaitan made attractive for them their bad deeds. Shaitan show them that they are doing good. The believers, they are doing good. Wakala and said, La ghalibu lakumul yawma minan nase. Today, no from the people, nobody can overcome on you. Vaini jarun lakum, and I am your companion, I am your friend. Falamma. So when Taraati, when came face to face or when confronted, Fiatani, two groups or two armies, Nakasa, ran away, Ella on Akibahi, on his heels. So he ran from on his heels, mean he fled quickly. Bakala and said, Inni bariyun minkum. I am free from you. I have no concern with you. Inni ara, I see. Mala tarona, that you cannot see. Inni akhafullahu, I fear Allah. Wallahu shadidul iqab, and Allah is severe in punishment. This is our last lesson of our syllabus. Our Surah Anfal, our ayat is 1 to 48. Okay, so these are our the last ayat. So our this Surah Anfal is finished. Now we are going to do the words meaning. Words and compounds. Number 1, lakitum. Lakitum mean when you come face to face, mean when you confronted. Fasbitu, fasbitu, hold firm, be steadfast or determined. Number 3, tazhaba rihukum. Tazhaba, depart, rihukum, your strength. Your strength will depart from you. Number 4, fatafshalu, so you will lose your heart. You will be demoralized. Bataran, boastfully. This is about the disbelievers when they leave their homes, when they left their homes boastfully to boast about the achievements of their ancestors. Yasaduna, they resist mankind from, they hold them back, prevent them from. Yasaduna, in sabilillahi, they stop the people from the way of Allah. Jarun mean porter, companion, or protector. 8. Tara'atil Pitani. Tara'ati, when came face to face or confronted. Piyatani, two groups or two armies. 9. Nakasa, turned, ala, on, akibahi, his heels. Took flight or fled or ran away. 10. Inni bariyun minkum. Inni, indeed, bariyun, nothing, minkum, to you. I have nothing to do with you. I have no concern with you. Thanks, students, for watching and paying attention. Over this lesson 7 is over the last lesson of Surah An-Fall. So, inshallah, in our next lecture, we will do the question answers of this lesson, and we will also complete the ahadith. So, you have to revise these ayat from 45 to 48. Please revise these ayat carefully and learn the these words. These words meaning carefully. These words will come in the MCQs. So revise carefully. I will see you in your next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.